I will tell you how to create a movie or how to insert a movie file into the iMovie. So this is the iMovie icon which you can use to open iMovie. By double clicking this you can open this page. So I'm going to create new iMovie. So for that I have to click on this create new and then click on the movie. So I have to create movie file. So now I'm going to insert the movie file into the iMovie. I am choosing this movie file and I am inserting this movie file inside so that you can expand or make short this iMovie. So I am expanding this movie file so that now I can run the movie file like this. So now I am going to insert the audio file. For that I have to do like this and I am inserting this audio file like this so that you can play the movie along with the audio. So suppose if you want to cut this audio, this part means you can just place the cursor here, select this, place the cursor here, right click, split click and select this, right click, delete. So that you can delete the audio clip by using delete.